Richard Radke here. Today I'm going to do a review on advantage of multiple income funnel. So it starts right here. You can check, shows you all the links you get. Well, basically the links are attached to the capture pages. And there's a whole bunch of them in here. You can use as many as you want or one. I use more than one depending on where I send them to. Then you got your training. You got your weekly training. Then you got your system training, which shows you all the different ways how you can improve on your training and doing things. Then you go back into the training again, and then it gives you the 7-step training, which shows you the first one is work on you, which means works on your personality. Then you got one that shows you how and where to get traffic, how to do follow-up, how to do YouTube, how to post on Facebook, how to block some time to do this opportunity. And then you got some more bonuses. And then if you go back in again, then it shows you all your leads that you get. And each one gets an email. You get an email with each one of them, so you can follow up with them. And of course, the company follows up with them too to help you persuade them. And then you got a resource tab, which shows you all the emails you can use to do follow-ups if you want, or you can use your own. It's up to you. And then if you click on there, it shows you all your businesses. And then you got the bonus income streams, which I also use. And you get 100 leads a day for $1 a day. So at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads that you can email every day, which I do. And that's all included in that system. Then you go back and you start here. Let's say that you're interested in all these advantages, and you start here. You go to step 1. It explains the video to you how to get started, and that's usually $97 a month. But right now it's on half price for $49 a month. And if somebody signs up under that, you make $20. Then you got step 2 and step 3, which you can put your own opportunities in. And if you don't have any, you can use the ones I'm using. They're each under $10 a month. Then you got step 4, which is traffic authority, where you can get real good leads. They've been in business for about 10 years or more. Let's see, that's about most of the advantages. So, okay, let's say that you decide you like that. Well, then I'm going to put a link under the video that you can, Matt does a 21 explanation of the video opportunity, pardon me, and he does a very good, better job than I do, let's put it that way. And that link also allows you to join with it. And I'm also going to put my contact information under there. So if you got any questions, you just get back to me. And I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So I'm hoping you have a good weekend. Talk to you later. Bye for now.
Hey, it's Mac, and congratulations.